Our teachers in Pounamu Atawhai told us that we are going to inquire into science this term.
We are going to learn about a thing called fair testing in science and how it can be used to find out about bridges. Our goal was to find out about what makes a bridge strong.
The teacher took us in good and proper by setting us a challenge. Who can build the strongest bridge?
We were given the same amount of equipment and got into our learning groups. We read the success criteria and away we went. Miss Harnett put together an awesome video for us to watch afterwards. Check it out.
After the challenge, it was time to think and wonder about all the questions we now had about bridges.
We then went about playing and exploring with ready-made equipment, looking at the ways bridges worked. We used blocks, Lego, Kinects and computer software to deepen our understanding. It was fun working and playing.
We filled out our reflection sheets and were introduced to the science process.
We learned about fair testing and experimented with different bridge designs and shapes. We did this multiple times, but we were only allowed to change one thing on our bridge to see what worked the best.
Through our reflection sheets, we found out that load, triangles, and buttresses on a bridge played an important role.
We split into expert groups to research the important parts that had an effect on bridges. They were loads, forces, shapes, and materials in a bridge. We then had to present back to the team on what we found out. The whole class took notes on the sharing session because we were about to be tested using a Kahoot on what group knew the most. Zach Brown and Alex Croton won the chocolate bar.
After reflecting again, we were finally allowed to construct our own bridges. We were reminded of our new knowledge and given the same amount of equipment each. Our challenge was set. Who would win this time using our newfound knowledge?
Remember the days of the old schoolyard? We used to laugh a lot. Oh, don't you remember the days of the old schoolyard? When we had imaginings and we had all kinds of things and we laughed and needed love, yes I do. Oh, and I remember you. Remember the days of the old schoolyard? We used to cry a lot. Oh, don't you remember the days of the old schoolyard? When we had simplicity and we had warm toast for tea and we laughed and needed love, yes I do. Oh, and I remember you. and we had imaginings, and we had all kinds of things, and we laughed and needed love. Yes, I do. Oh, when I remember you.
After the expo, we will be testing the bridges to see which bridge is the strongest. Don't forget to vote on which bridge you think will hold the most weight.